Oh, Lydia. Yes, man.
I got problems. I got problems. I got serious problems. I have erectile dysfunction. And I mean, it's like really, really bad erectile dysfunction. I get as hard as Jello left a set for 2 minutes. That's not very hard Jello. Oh, and guess what? I am allergic to Viagra, Cialis, any one of those penis hardening pills. I am allergic to it. Yeah, that's great, right? I know. And because I am not able to provide sexual satisfaction to my wife, bitch, she cheated on me with my dad, my father, the man who brought me into this world. She cheated on me with my father. He's 86. And he got her pregnant with triplets. Yeah. Do you know how messed up that is? How do you explain that shit to people? Like, my wife is also my stepmother, and my wife is pregnant for her father-in-law, and not to mention the kids. Like, I'm gonna be their stepdad and their brother at the same time. Like, which one am I going to be for? Am I gonna be their brother? I don't even know. When am I their brother? When am I their stepdad? Like, I'm confused already. You know, that's why I'm so stressed. Doc, are you getting this? So, shouldn't you be taking notes or something? What the fuck do you mean taking notes? Remember, I am the patient. You are the doctor. I came to you for help. This is some real bullshit. Oh, well, in that case, your time is up.
Time is
I will
up.
see you. What?
My time is up.
week?
I haven't even started.
Same time?
You know what? Fuck this. I don't need no counseling. You need counseling yourself. I am leaving.
3,500 payday.
This is some bullshit.
From this lady when
We're not paying for shit.
Minaj has released the visuals for her song Anaconda, and Lord have